Hello, today we will guide you through how to backtest on ThinkorSwim. In this walkthrough, you'll learn how to use the platform's Analyze tools to review how a position might have performed on a specific date, so you can evaluate ideas with context before committing real capital. Start by opening the ThinkorSwim platform on your computer. If you prefer to practice without affecting a live account, switch to paper trading when you sign in. Once the platform loads, give it a moment to sync market data so the tools respond smoothly. Look along the top navigation bar for the Analyze tab. It sits alongside sections like Monitor and Trade. Click Analyze to open a workspace designed for scenario testing. This area centers around a risk profile and profit and loss readouts, which are perfect for exploring how a strategy behaves over time. Next, choose your test instrument. Click into the symbol field and enter a sample ticker you want to review. You can use any active symbol. The platform will pull in its current and historical data. As soon as you confirm the symbol, the risk curves and PL numbers will reference that specific instrument. To anchor your backtest in time, click the PL date field. This is the date the platform uses to calculate and display profit and loss as of that day. Select a historical date to see what the position would have looked like back then, or pick a forward date to explore a what-if scenario. As you adjust the date, watch how the risk graph and summary figures update, giving you immediate feedback on exposure and potential outcomes. For more control, right-click on the PL date. This opens additional options that make it quicker to change or reset the date and refine how the PL is displayed. It's a handy shortcut when you're comparing several periods or toggling between recent sessions. You can also access the same date control from the top left of the Analyze view. Clicking there provides another direct way to set or refine your PL date, so use whichever spot is most convenient as you iterate. As you review results, pay attention to how the curve shifts with different dates and how the profit, loss, and break-even points respond. Remember that backtests are approximations. Factors like commissions, dividends, volatility changes, and slippage can affect real outcomes. Use these tools to understand behavior and risk, not as a guarantee of performance. That's it. You open ThinkorSwim, navigate it to Analyze, selected a symbol, set your PL date, use the right-click menu for quick adjustments, and learned an alternate way to change the date from the top left. Happy testing, and use what you learn here to refine your strategy with greater confidence.